In today's video, I'm going to teach you, insert video title here. We'll walk through how to file a joint return in TurboTax from start to finish, keeping everything clear and stress-free. First, head to the TurboTax website and either sign in to your existing account or create a new one. Once you're in, the program will guide you through a quick setup so it can tailor the experience to your situation. Early on, you'll be asked to choose your filing status. Be sure to select Married Filing Jointly. This tells TurboTax to use the correct forms and calculations for a joint return, which often provides a higher standard deduction and access to valuable credits designed for married couples. If you were legally married by the last day of the tax year, this status typically applies. Next, you'll enter personal information for both spouses. Follow the prompts carefully and double-check names, addresses, and key identifiers like social security numbers to ensure they match official documents. Accuracy here helps avoid processing delays later. From there, TurboTax will guide you through income entry for each person separately. You'll input W-2s from jobs, 1099s for freelance work or interest and dividends, and any other income sources. Enter each form under the correct spouse and match amounts exactly as shown on the documents. If you have multiple W-2s or 1099s, add them one at a time so nothing gets missed. After income, the software will ask a series of straightforward yes or no questions to uncover deductions and credits you may qualify for as a couple. Answer honestly and completely. This is where benefits like the Earned Income Tax Credit or the Child Tax Credit can come into play if you meet the requirements. Be prepared with details about education expenses, child and dependent information, retirement contributions, mortgage interest, and charitable donations if they apply to you. The program will calculate whether you should take the standard deduction or itemize based on your entries. Before you file, TurboTax provides a comprehensive review. Take your time here. Look for typos, missing forms, or mismatched numbers. Make sure both spouses' income entries are complete, confirm any credits shown, make sense for your situation, and review any notices the software flags. When everything looks right, proceed to file electronically. You'll e-sign, select how you want to receive a refund or pay any amount due, and submit securely through the platform. Save or print the confirmation and a copy of your return for your records. That's it. Your joint return is on its way.